Do you completely freeze when someone says, "Hey, how's it going?" Your brain goes blank, and you just say, "Good, you," and then silence. If that's you, don't worry. You're not alone, and today, we're fixing that. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're talking about small talk, those short, casual conversations you have with coworkers, neighbors, or even the barista at your coffee shop. Small talk feels small, but honestly, it's one of the most powerful social skills in English. It opens doors, builds relationships, and honestly, it just makes life more pleasant. So let's break this down into three easy parts: starting a conversation, keeping it going, and ending it smoothly. Part 1. Starting the conversation. The secret here is simple. Talk about something you both can see or experience right now. Weather, the place you're in, or a shared situation. Here are 5 examples you can literally use today. Number 1. Can you believe this weather? It's freezing today. Number 2. At work. Busy day, huh? This week has been crazy. Number 3. At a party. So, how do you know the host? Number 4. Waiting in line. This line is taking forever, right? And number 5. At a coffee shop. That smells amazing, bis. What did you order? Notice something? None of these are deep or complicated. They're light, easy, and anyone can answer them. That's the whole point of small talk. Low pressure, easy entry. Part 2. Keeping the conversation going. This is where most learners get stuck. You ask a question, they answer, and then silence again. The trick is a technique I call ask, react, add. First, ask a question. Second, react naturally. Oh, really? No way. That's awesome. And third, add something related about yourself. Let me show you. Imagine someone says, "I just got back from a trip to Italy." A weak response is just, "Cool." Conversation dead. But using ask, react, add, you could say, "Oh, wow, that's amazing. How was the food? I went to Spain last year and I still dream about the tapas." See what happened there? You reacted with excitement, asked a follow-up question, and shared something personal. That keeps the conversation alive naturally. Here's another one. Someone says, "I'm so tired, I barely slept last night." Instead of just saying, "That's too bad," try, "Oh no, that's rough. Was it stress or just couldn't sleep? I had one of those nights last week too." It's the worst. Do you see the pattern? React, ask, relate. That's your golden formula. Part 3. Ending the conversation politely. This is important. Sometimes you need to leave, and that's totally okay. You don't need a dramatic exit. Just use a simple closing phrase. For example, "Well, it was really nice talking to you. I should get going, but let's catch up again soon." Or in a work setting, "I better get back to my desk, but great chatting with you." Short, friendly, and clear. No awkwardness needed. Now let's practice together. I'll give you a small talk starter, and I want you to say your answer out loud. Yes, actually speak it, even if you're alone. This is how real learning happens. Here's your first one. How was your weekend? Go ahead. Answer out loud. Here's the second one. This traffic is crazy today, right? Try responding with ask, react, add. And here's a bonus tip. Keep a mental list of 3 easy topics: weather, weekend plans, and current events like a movie or a local event. These topics work almost anywhere, with almost anyone. One more important tip. Avoid controversial topics like politics or religion in small talk. Keep it light. Keep it positive. So let's quickly recap. Start with something simple you both notice. Use, ask, react, add to keep it flowing. And close with a short, friendly line when you need to go. Small talk isn't about being perfect. It's about being friendly and present. Even native speakers use simple phrases like the ones today. You don't need fancy vocabulary. You just need confidence and practice. So here's your homework. Today, try starting one small talk conversation in English, even a short one, maybe with a cashier, a classmate, or a coworker. Come back and tell me how it went in the comments. I'd love to hear it. If you found this helpful, subscribe for daily English lessons.